For someone who's always on the move, traveling or rushing from one place to another, carrying one single wireless charger makes a lot of sense, especially if you're a content creator. To keep up and about, you need the right tools which keep you with your fast-paced creator life without causing any hassle during the creative process. But what if that one charger also takes care of your data? So why only charge your device when you can also back up the data at the same time? And what if you can automatically do both at the same time, that too wirelessly? Say hello to SanDisk Ixpand Wireless Charger Sync, a wireless charger that also backs up your data swiftly and securely while your phone is charging. Now SanDisk has also given us class-leading industry-first devices, and I'm happy to introduce to you new addition to the SanDisk portfolio, the SanDisk Ixpand Wireless Charger Sync and the SanDisk Ixpand Wireless Charger 15 watt. So let's go ahead and unbox these devices and see what comes in the box. So in the SanDisk Ixpand Wireless Charger 15 watt box, you get the Ixpand 15 watt wireless charger, SanDisk AC adapter and a USB Type-C cable. In terms of dimension, it's 3.94 inches long, 0.53 inches width and 3.94 inches in height. SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger 15 watt does exactly what it promises. Charges your phone at 15 watt, working across Android and iPhones plus your TWS earphones. When you put a device on the pad, a blue LED indicator glows to say that the charging is on. There's a rubber thing at the bottom to keep the pad in place, and also the top has a rubber laying so that the phone doesn't slip away. And it also really helps to have a 4.5 foot USB Type-C cable in the box. Unlike most brands, here it is a regular Type-C port and not a micro USB port. The other thing you need to know is that it supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Not just that, you can also make your car wireless charging enabled and get the convenience of charging devices without worrying about wires running across your dashboard and carrying different cables for different devices. Now that's really convenient, right? You also get temperature control, foreign object detection and adaptive charging that helps keep your phone's battery safe. This charges through most rubber, plastic and TPU cases that are less than 5mm thick. Another great thing about SanDisk Ixpand 15 watt wireless charger is that you can charge your device whether you're sitting in the front or the back very conveniently wirelessly. And especially for cars that don't have a USB port at the rear, this is like a godsend feature. So you can just keep your phone on the SanDisk Ixpand 15 watt wireless charger and start charging wherever you are sitting in the car. So in the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync, in the box you get the Ixpand charger with built-in charger, power adapter with 6 feet or 1.8 meter cable length and a quick start guide. In terms of dimension, the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync is 7.93 inches long, 0.77 inches wide and 3.95 inches in height. For this video, we were using the 256 GB with on-device storage option. The SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync supports fast wireless charging for Qi-compatible smartphones like iPhone, Android phones and other Qi-compatible devices like your TWS earphones. And while you're charging your phone, it automatically backs up photos and videos in full resolution right from the charger while delivering 10 watt of charging speed. A lot of people are worried about charging their devices wirelessly, thinking that it'll ruin the smartphone's battery. Thanks to its foreign object detection, overcharging protection and adaptive charging that helps protect the phone's battery and keeps the performance optimal. Since the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync is a smart device, you can simply search for SanDisk Ixpand charger app on your Android or Apple iPhone, and once you've downloaded the app, it's a simple setup. All you need to do is connect your wireless charger and phone through Bluetooth, and once they're connected, you put in your Wi-Fi information. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that your Wi-Fi should be 2.4 GHz for the wireless charger to sync with. Setup should take only a minute to do, and since it's a smart device, you'll also get regular updates. While we were setting up, we also got an update for the device which took around 5 to 10 minutes to update itself. With Google Photos going the paid way and iCloud storage being paid anyway, I think the best way to store data is locally, and what better than the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync that not only charges your phone but also automatically backs up all your photos, data, contacts, videos while the phone is charging. To sum it up, the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger sync is the best of both worlds. All you need to do is keep your phone, charge it, and it backs up automatically. Isn't that convergence at its best? And not to forget, it's world's first of its kind that puts a charger and a storage in one, and it does take a lot of worry off your shoulders. So you don't have to worry about charging a device or forgetting about taking a backup of your photos, your videos, or even your contacts. And the best part, even if you accidentally delete any of the information like photos, videos, or contacts from your smartphone, you can easily restore it from the SanDisk app. And what better way to keep your data backed up without paying a monthly fees or subscription services that nowadays you're supposed to pay for everything that you use. So you're securing your data and also not paying a monthly fees for it. I think that's a win-win for everybody. In terms of pricing, you can get the SanDisk Ixpand wireless charger 15 watt for rupees 2,999 rupees. And if you have a power brick at home, you can get it for 1,999, which is 2,000 rupees. And similarly, the pricing for the wireless sync is 8,889 rupees. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.